Bro, they had that, yeah. Bro,
I got to the gate, I see the thing. I said to the woman, I said, what is that? The pay? She said, yeah. I said, fam, is that the
Pay. You just pay like £19, bro.
No. He's got that, so you get all the perks. But I'm saying, for you to get like free flights, so every time you spend money, they give you points in it. So when you rack the points up, it's like an Amex, innit? Amex, when you spend and you get points, you can go grab free.